Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the ShredLights Night Ops Pack from ShredLights Electric Skateboards Lights. These lights are a great option for anyone looking to get better visibility while riding at night. Alright, so here we are on ShredLights website. If we go to shop and then skateboard lights, we can get a look at all of the lights that ShredLights sells for skateboards and electric skateboards. So the one that we're going to be reviewing is down here, the Skateboard Night Ops Pack. And if you're interested in buying this, we've actually teamed up with ShredLights. We've gotten an affiliate link for you guys so that you guys can get 10% off of any purchase from ShredLights using our custom discount code. During checkout, just put in the discount code DIY ESK8 Builders, all one word, all lowercase. Apply that discount code and you'll get 10% off your purchase from ShredLights. Using this discount code will not only save you 10% off of any purchase from ShredLights, but it'll also help us as creators be able to make more videos like this. Also, everyone, make sure to stay tuned to the end of this video because we are going to be doing a giveaway where we give away the ShredLights Skateboard Combo Pack. This combo pack includes 2 front lights and 2 rear lights. We are also going to be giving away not the regular version, but the starter pack with all 4 pairs of mounts so that you guys can mount these on different boards if you have a few, and use these lights across different boards. If you guys are interested in entering that giveaway, please make sure to stay tuned for the entire video, and at the end we'll be releasing some of the details on how to enter into this giveaway so that you guys can walk away with these awesome ShredLights. Okay, now back to the video. Included in the Night Ops packs are 2 front white lights, 2 rear red lights, another single white light for mounting to your body or helmet, and then a rear red light for also doing the same. There's also an array of accessories included, such as various mounts, and also all of the mounts that ShredLights sells to mount multiple to different boards and just switch the lights between the two. So, included are 4 sets of different mounts, which means you could have 2 boards fully with mounts and just swap the lights between the two. So there's a lot of stuff that comes inside this Night Ops pack. So now we're just going to open one of these packs so you can get an idea of what's inside these things. The packaging on these also looks super sick and very professional. So in the 2-pack evidently are 2 lights facing each other, and you'll need to charge them before you can use them for the first time. Also inside the box are a couple of other things that are underneath those lights. There's a couple stickers and the charger for them. The single packs are also very similar. The packaging super neat again, and inside is just a single light with a curved sticky mount which you can mount to the outside of a helmet so that you can mount this light to the rear of your helmet or any other exterior device on your body. There's also a charger and more stickers. Then of course there's also going to be 2 more rear lights and also a single front light pack that we didn't show opening. So the first mount in the Night Ops pack is this clip-on clampy mount, which has a GoPro style mount, making it super easy to mount a wide variety of accessories to it. Next are the actual mounts that mount to the board. You'll get 4 different sets of mounts, 1 of each of the sets that ShredLights sells, which is awesome because that means you can get these to work on any board right out of the box because they're designed to work with every single one. Each mount is specifically tailored to fit in a certain type of board, as you're not going to put the same kind of mount on an Evolve that you're going to put on a Boosted or an X-Way, just due to the nature of the way the motors sit on and the trucks sit on the board. So here we have a view of all of the mounts. As you can see, they are all quite different, allowing you to have a wide variety of setups that you can put these lights on your boards. And I think that that's really cool if you have multiple styles. The next mount we have is the curved sticky mount, and included are 2 of these. These are great for mounting your ShredLights to any helmet or curved surface. Next, we have the action mount, which is essentially just a mount made for any GoPro accessory. And this is really great if you have a Ruroc helmet because this can mount onto the front of that, and it also works with that little clampy accessory that we showed earlier. The final accessory included are these charging cables, which are dual micro USBs, and they include a ton of these. They also include a ton of stickers. Okay, so to recap what's in, we have 3 front white lights, 3 rear red lights, all 4 sets of mounts, 4 dual USB charging cables, 2 sticky mounts, 1 action mount, 1 clampy style mount, and a ton of stickers. So as you can see, ShredLights includes a ton of stuff in their Night Ops pack, which will make your night riding experience that much better. Everything is super premium quality and just looks and feels super nice. So now to take a closer look at the individual lights themselves. They have this exterior black rubber coating on the sides of them, which help them grip in your hand nicely. There's 2 buttons on the side, each of which have a different function, and on the top is the micro USB port, which is a really nice position because that means you can charge it while it's still mounted to the board. hold the side of the light to turn it on, and hold both at the same time to turn it off. Okay, so now to mount the mounts to the board. The first thing that you're going to want to do is undo your trucks. This just means taking them off entirely by undoing all of the bolts. The next thing is to just slide the truck off of your deck. We have a riser pad, which makes it a lot easier to do this next step, which is putting the mounts and mounting them to the board. So a riser pad in this case is a very good thing to have. Simply just align the hardware with the holes already in the mount, and then just place them on there before putting the truck back on. Now that the mounts are mounted, you'll be able to slide the lights into the mounts with ease using the new S-lock mechanism, which makes it super easy to take these lights out and also put them back in, while also keeping them in there very stably so when you ride they don't come out. So just push the light back in using the grooves and aligning them, and they should snap right into place and stay there put until you want to take them out. You'll have to do the same thing on the rear truck by just taking that off, choosing your mount of choice, and then doing the exact same process. If you have an Evolve, of course, you'll need to top mount your lights as the motors will block the light from coming out otherwise. So the new S-lock mechanism is actually one of the coolest features about these lights because they stay very sturdy and put, but they're also so simple and easy to put in and take out. It also makes it easy to turn the lights on and off without anything getting in the way. So now that you've mounted the 4 lights to the board, there are still 2 lights left around to play with. So what we like doing is using the action mount on our Ruroc helmet to mount these lights into the front GoPro holder that's already built in. This allows us to have a light mounted to our helmet for that much more visibility and protection against cars. Simply just slide the action mount into the built-in GoPro holder and you'll have a light mounted to your helmet, which you can use for a wide variety of things other than skating. We also like to use the clamp-on mount to just clamp the mount onto our backpack and then attach a shred light so that we have a rear light attached to our backpack. Obviously, there's a ton of other things you can do to utilize these other 2 lights and make yourself visible to other people at night. So now that we've mounted these, we're going to take these outside and test them in the absolute pitch darkness to see how they perform. In terms of their performance, these lights are the brightest lights that you can get for their size and the best for electric skateboards. We tested this at 500 feet and we could see it all the way back there. And this is filming using a GoPro, which is notorious for having awful nightlight filming. We could probably have taken the board even farther back, just as their website advertises to 2,000 feet, but that would have been difficult to pick up on the camera. The point that we're trying to get across is that these things are insanely bright. Not only do they light the way up in front of you, but they allow other traffic to see you from far, far distances so that you stay safe. As nighttime riders, it's nearly impossible for us to go on rides without having our shred lights. Shred lights have become an absolute necessity for any nighttime riding or any low light situations so that we stay safe from traffic and so that we can keep seeing the road in front of us. There are too many positive things to say about these lights, and we honestly can't do them justice by showing you this footage, because the cameras never do a good job of showing lights in dark situations. Just know that when we've been riding with friends, people have mistaken us for actual cars because the lights are as bright as their headlights. If I were to have one tiny, minuscule improvement for these lights, it would just be their battery life. Don't get me wrong, it's absolutely incredible the life that these have, but we run them on the highest mode on the white front lights, which ShredLights advertises should last 3 hours. 3 hours is still insane considering the size of the lights, but as a fantasizer, it would be cool to have these lights last longer, but it's no worries because you can charge them so easily now that the charge port is facing outwards of the deck. Another thing that we should mention is the fact that these lights have 6 different light modes, 3 different brightness settings, and then 3 different blinking settings. We typically set the front white lights to the brightest solid setting and then the rear lights to the scattered blinking setting so that we have the best visibility in the front for the road, but that cars see the blinking lights in the back. Alright, so now for more information about our ShredLights giveaway. In the description of this video, there will be a link that takes you to this website right here where you can enter in the giveaway. Simply enter your email. Once you've entered your email, you will be eligible to win this giveaway. But you can get more entries by doing the following things to up your chances of getting these ShredLights. You can follow ShredLights on Instagram, subscribe to them on YouTube, follow them on Twitter. Make sure you're subscribed to us, follow us on Instagram, and this way you'll be able to have multiple entries and up your chances of winning these awesome ShredLights. So go make sure that you follow ShredLights on Insta, subscribe to them on YouTube, and make sure you're subscribed to us so that you can win these ShredLights. So to finish this video, we just want to say that if you're looking at doing any sort of night riding at all, we 100% recommend ShredLights. These lights are incredible for your electric skateboard. So if you're interested in buying some, make sure to use our affiliate link in our discount code down below. This way you'll save 10% off of your purchase from ShredLights while also helping us out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video and you've made it this far, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel so that we can create more content on electric skateboards like this for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.